Lesson number Explanation. People build the houses. Those who live near the forest, they have to protect themselves from wild animals. Birds build nests to lay eggs and to protect the baby birds. They build their nests on the trees. They use grass, straw, and twigs to build nests. Honeybees build the honeycombs on trees or under the roof of an overhanging cliff. Birds build their nests according to their needs. Rats and mice make holes in the walls or under the floors in houses. Some animals do not make any effort to build a shelter. They simply look around for a safe place. Doves and pigeons live in forests or in small hollows in high cliffs. Tigers, leopards, hyenas live in caves. Some types of bats live in dark caverns in mountains or in old, deserted, tumble-down buildings. People build shelters for domestic animals like cowshed for cows, a stable for horse, a chicken coop or hen house for hens.